Okay. So we upload the 3 cars here. 1, 2, 3. These cars I will retrieve from the Firestore database and display on the home list here. So we need to write a query to get the information from the Firestore database. Okay. This database, again I repeat, this database only store the data. But files, audio files, video files, image, whatever it is, that will store into the storage. From the storage, we'll retrieve the path of the URL. That URL we append into the our collection, right? So now the car has these properties: address, brand, description, fuel type, image, name, price per day, transmission, year. Clear? Huh? So now this car year is 2016. This car is 2024. Okay. So I want to write a some uh, so I want to check the some filters here. Now you can see here filters, right? This is a filter. When I click on the filter, we'll get all the fields. Okay, these fields is coming here. Okay, filter by, for example, I want to filter by year. Okay, here collection order by okay year, and write a condition also. The condition year is equal to 2024, for example. Okay, 2024. Now we can see the query is preparing here. Clear? Huh? Now we have the condition. Condition is here filtered by year and sort by ascending or descending. Okay. When I click on the apply, now we only one car data is visible here because of the year is only 2024 is matched with only one car. Now got it right? How to filter the collection in the database? This is right a query. Okay. This is right. This is a way of writing query. Now we have only three. Okay. If you have hundreds of data, we can filter like this. First fields, which where you write the query. Fields, and again we can write a multiple fields also. We can write there is a fields is there, right? Now where is this? Why it's one? Okay. I can select only one, but I can select multiple also. But okay, you got it right. How to retrieve? How to get this? In the out of collection, write a where query and a brand. Brand is something like that. That is string, right? The brand test two. Okay. When I click on the apply, it will come only one. Two. Brand test three. Oh, not equal to. Oh, super. Okay. Now equal to. Now apply. Clear? So this is way of writing the query and verify the data in the collection. What next? Using that query, we'll retrieve the cars list. So here we have this repository, right? Cars repository. The get cars, go to the Firebase repository. Here we need to implement the get car list. Clear? And where is the services is there? The Firebase service. In the Firebase service, I will write a one method to get a fetch the cars. Clear? Huh? Firebase response get cars. Yeah. Okay. Here first we'll get the car reference, right? So collection reference dot. This is a reference. Okay. From the reference, we'll retrieve the information. Okay. We have the cars. From the cars, we need to retrieve the information. Database. In the database, we discussed the how to prepare the query. Okay. As per this documentation, where is the documentation? Yeah. Okay. In this documentation, they provide everything. How to write a queries. This is a querying. Okay. So first filtering. and limiting, ordering, start at end. So where can I start and where can I end? Clear? There is a limit is there. Query limiting is there. So while writing the query, the some limit is there. The Cloud Firestore does not support the following types of queries. Queries with range filter different on different fields as described in the previous section. Okay. Logical OR queries in this case should create a separate query for each OR condition. Some limitation is there right in the query. Okay. It's not accept all queries. There is a limitation is there. These are the limitations. Okay. These are the limitations. Already we discussed the how to write the data. Clear? Huh? And this is update. Update we are using the set. Clear? Huh? So first of all, for example, car information is there. For example, you have to update the some price. Okay. So instead of add, just update with a particular field. Use the set. Set. Now you can see. Okay. This is the document ID. You have the document ID, right? Okay. Based on the document, get the particular document. In that document, 100 fields, maybe 500 fields is there, or else 10 fields is there. But you have to update the only one field. Okay. Don't use the add. If you use the add, the previous fields will gone. If you update the any information, just use the set and give the key names. Which key you want to set? That is update. Clear? Huh? Yeah. Remove data and create a, everything. So, yeah. We have to remove. Remove also same. Okay. First get the collection and remove the data. See, document update the delete the field. This is a particular delete the field. In the out of 10 or 15 elements, if you want to delete the field, there is a update is there. Update the field value delete. Which key you want to delete, just delete like this. Clear? And this is the remove the data. Okay. So there is an option called car delete. For example, you are adding the 10 cars. Okay. But if you want to delete the car, you have the car ID, right? You have the document ID of the car. First, get the document dot delete. We are passing the ID to the query and dot delete. This will delete the data into the Firestore database. Clear? Huh? So now we write the data. Now I'm going to retrieve the data from the yes. So this is a converter. We have the model class, right? We have the model class. So from the model class directly we can convert to from JSON to Firestore. Okay. So what you are getting from the data. So we have the these keys, right? We have the uh, cars list model. From the collection is contain the those information. Okay. From Firestore and give it to the our collection, our model class from JSON and pass the data, snapshot data. It's retrieve the data from the Firestore database. If you want to push the data in the Firestore, same 2JSON we can use. Okay, you got it right. What is the use of the our model class? That is the power, right? Instead of writing the payload JSON data, always that should be in the model class only. The model class contain the two constructor. One is the default constructor, another one is from JSON, the named constructor, and third method is there. That is the 2JSON. Clear? So what you are getting the data from server, the data is converted into the model class using the constructor name from JSON. Okay, if you want to publish this data, same data model to the server, use the 2JSON. Already we are using, right? Okay. Now we'll get the data from the cars collection and display on the screen. Yeah. Now we check the home page. We load the all the cars what is available in the what is available in the cars, what is available in the database. We retrieve the every information, and again we download the data also, right? We download the image and display on the screen. Okay, this is a code in the cars v model. I call the get cars. Okay, this will call to the repository will call to the Firebase services. So we have the collection, right? Car collection. So this is right cars dot get. It's a retrieve the all the information. That information I'm send back to the P model. Okay, the snapshot dot documents. Okay, that is a list of documentation. It's sent to the repository. Clear? Huh? That repository is sent back to the view model, right? That repository, the response to the data is a documents. That means the array of items is coming from the list array. So each array, from the array, we are retrieving the data one by one using the for loop. This is the first one car information, right? That data I'm passing to the our model. Previously I created model, right? Cars model. I call the from JSON document.data is going to the here. Clear? Huh? So parsing the each data and send back to the object. This object added to the this list. Clear? Huh? Let me reload again. I will explain through the debugging. Okay. Okay. So now this is a query, right? In the query in documents, how many items? 3 items is there, right? These documents only we are sending back, right? We are sending back to the repository. Okay, from the repository I got in the view model. In the view model, the response dot has a 3 items. 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 items only. Three cars is available in the storage, Firestore database. So now each item has the different keys, right? Document as a metadata. Okay. So document data is there. Okay. That data is passing to the this model. Now see, this how many items is there? 9 items, right? It's parsing the one by one data. 1, 2, 3. After 3, add here. Clear? Huh? So now click on plus button. Now we'll see. Okay, it working or not? We'll check that. Okay, in the car list screen, after navigate to the back, again we need to hit the that API, right? Here I will add it. Test 5 or test 6. Test 6. Here petrol price per day information. Take a picture from the gallery. I will select this image. Okay, add a car. Okay, let's stop the debugging now. Where is the debugger log? Here, right? I pause the debugging. Continue. After adding the car, it navigate to the cars list page. It's uploading. Okay. Now we can see in the below. Now we can see the below. Where is that? It's added, I think. Let's reload. Let's reload 1 second. I didn't save the code, right? That is add get cars. After adding that, clear? Huh? Hope is clear. This is way of see in this series we cover the authentication. Okay, Firebase storage, Firebase data, Firestore database. We retrieve the information, right? We add a car, we upload the information to the storage and save the information. Everything we complete that. Okay, thank you.